You know, a lot of my work is nature oriented. There's a lot of inspiration from Mother Nature. And the other thing, of course, has been road trips. I love to travel. And one of this collection is called Dented Painted. It's very specifically derived from the Indian roads, which you can see in auto-rickshaws, truck carts, kind of whatever you see on the Indian roads. I'm not exactly very material specific. I would like to work with all kinds of materials, but a lot of it currently are in metals, which is brass, copper, stainless steel. And my most favorite material as of now is natural black steel, which is something like the work here. This is poppy from my collection of floral sculptures called hyperblooms. This is a very interesting interpretation, one of my favorite interpretations of a flower, which is poppy, which is most famous for that red color, the crimson color, and the lesser number of petals, rather simplified, straightforward, lightweight, more like a windflower, and the red is what stands out. So that's what interests me, the inherent structure of things, which can be expressed perhaps in a more three-dimensional way.